Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the problem. Is YouTube calm down for everyone or just you? First, restart the device and open an incognito window to rule out cached issues. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi or switch to cellular so you separate local network faults from ISP problems. Make sure VPNs are off and note DNS settings. Misconfigured DNS often causes site resolution failures. These quick steps save time and tell you whether to fix a browser, network, or account issue next. Now focus on the browser. Cached resources and extensions commonly break Playback. You should clear site-specific cache and cookies for YouTube. COM to force fresh assets. Next, disable extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, then reload the page. If video works, re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. If problems persist, update the browser or reinstall it, and test a second browser to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific versus system or account-related. For persistent failures, perform advanced network recovery. Flush DNS, reset the network stack, and reboot the router or modem to clear stale routes. Make sure your account is in good standing and that regional or content restrictions aren't blocking access. Check playback quality and signed in state. If nothing works, gather evidence before contacting support. Note exact timestamps, error codes, and capture browser console logs. That way, you speed up resolution and help engineers reproduce and fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.